the government. Because death is sure. As soon as we get this material body, the death is sure. So we are eternal spiritual spark. Krishna says that the living entity is eternal. Nitya sasatoyam na hannati hannamani sarire. This is the information we get from the authority, that the living entity is eternal, nitya, sasata, ever existing, and does not die on the death or annihilation of the body. Then what is the duty of the father? What is the duty of the government, duty of the guru? How to save him from this repetition of birth and death, and that is the duty. Otherwise, to give some food, that also people cannot give now, rather killing their children in the home. This is Kali. Whereas it is the duty of the parent how to save the child or the son from the classes of death. They are now killing. This is advanced civilization.